Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to measure driving distance in Excel using our Google Maps driving distance calculator. This tool makes it incredibly simple to calculate driving distances and travel times directly within Excel. No more switching between your spreadsheet and Google Maps. If you work in logistics, real estate, field sales, or any profession where driving distance matters, this tool is going to be a huge time saver. Instead of manually looking up each route online and copying the distance into your spreadsheet, this tool connects to the Google Maps API and does all the work for you automatically. Just type in your origin and destination, and the tool instantly gives you the driving distance in miles and the estimated travel time in minutes. You can use full street addresses, zip codes, or even just city names. And it works globally. Whether you're measuring routes within your city or across international borders, this tool has you covered. It's incredibly versatile. Perfect for delivery planning, territory management, real estate evaluations, or route optimization. Getting started is super easy. Download the tool using the link in the description, open the Excel file, and paste your Google Maps API key into the Settings tab. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. We include a step-by-step tutorial that shows you exactly how to set it up in just a few minutes. Once you're ready, just enter your address, click Get Route Info, and let Excel handle the rest. This tool isn't just for individual routes. You can calculate distances for hundreds or even thousands of address pairs at once. Bulk processing is built in, making it ideal for business users who manage large datasets. And best of all, there's no software to install, no coding required. Just open Excel and go. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, and more than 7,500 users around the world, from small businesses to large enterprises, use our tools every day. With over 140 five-star reviews on Google, users love how easy it is to use and how much time it saves. One user called it a total game changer. Accurate, simple, and incredibly useful. Another mentioned how helpful our customer support is. We offer support via phone, email, and live chat. No bots, no scripts, just real answers from real people. And once you call, you'll automatically talk to the mastermind Vinny, who's always willing to assist you. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow and stop wasting time with manual distance calculations, download the Google Maps Driving Distance Calculator using the link in the description below. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on our latest Excel automation tools and time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.